Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone the common new features with the Golden software so far. So this is version 28. I just got my hands on it. I recently installed it, and I can tell you all for free that the integrated features that comes with this version 28 is really beautiful. So this particular version came with free templates, mapping templates, just like your ArcGIS Pro. Alright, so if I select info landscape, you'll see it's going to give me a preview of the template. So I don't need to stress myself in designing a layout template for my mapping when I generate stuffs for analysis with the software. So if I click for A4 portrait, you can see it's going to change. So likewise for letter format, you can see each format has the landscape and the portrait. So it is very beautiful. You can see for tabloid, you can see this is for the landscape, and it has different map designs. So you see each template has specific designs, so anyone that suits you is what you just go with. So let me see for this letter landscape 7. So when you click on it, you just open. So you can see it has, you see here, and they are all editable. Here the name, your company name, your company address, city, website URL, or your company logo. So you can see here they are all editable content. So this is just for this. So that's just it. I can also still open a new template. So this is for landscape. So I think, let me open this. So you see your company logo here, address, and whatsoever information. Even you can put your project name, project details, see coordinate system, your title description, see, and all that. So these are very beautiful integrated new features that I really encourage everybody to go ahead and upgrade their old versions with these new versions. And also you can actually map out drill holes. All right, so this is for our mining engineers. So if I come to specialty, you can see under the specialty, this is a new feature for drill hole mapping. So with the Golden software new version, you can actually map out drill hole points for suitability analysis to know the right spot within your project site for borehole construction. So this actually has a process to follow before you can map. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on that. So these are the major new features that you can actually see with the version 28 of the Golden software. So you can see here, this is the home tab. Home tab has different the ribbons with it to create points. All this not arrow, you can change it here. Just the same thing with your ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro. So you can see the different symbol for your not arrow. You can change your title, description, edit everything based on your own interest. All right, so this is the major things I see with the version 28 of Golden software. Every other thing stands still, so you can create contour, you can add base maps, right? Yeah, and yes, of course, you can add a base map with the new versions. All right, so this is very advanced and it's user friendly. Go ahead and upgrade yours. If you need more information, you can join my WhatsApp community and get those informations that you need, or you drop it under the comment section. I am going to attend to everybody. Thank you. See you in the next video.